Hello everyone and welcome to the Dex Imaging Help Desk YouTube channel. This video will show you how to install and configure Kyocera NetViewer on a Windows PC. The application works the same way on both Windows 7 and Windows 10. There is not a version for Mac, so just wanted to let you know that up front. Now the first thing that we're going to be doing is downloading the software from the Kyocera site. You can do that by clicking on the link on our website. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And then we're going to go to www.deximaging.com/service. And then we're going to click on resources. And then we're going to click on the Kyocera downloads link. Okay, now that we're here, we're going to click on the drop down where it says product category and select A3 MFPs. This includes all the larger copiers. And then we're going to go ahead and click on search. Alright, then we're going to scroll down a little bit and then see where it says Kyocera NetViewer. We're just going to go over to that link right there and click on that. Now that will begin the download. Alright, and now that the download is finished, I'm going to go ahead and click right here and show it in the folder. And that'll open up our downloads folder. Now I'm going to right click on the zip file and I'm going to say extract all. Make sure that the checkbox next to show extracted files when complete is checked. And then you're just going to go ahead and click extract. Alright, now that it's extracted, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, and then we're going to double click on setup. Now if this window comes up, just go ahead and click yes, and then that will initiate the installer. Then we're going to go ahead and click accept on the notice, and then click install. Now, do not click install now because that will skip over a component that we need. We're going to click next, then click on components, then select accounting management, then click install now. You don't need to worry about the data collection thing. Just go ahead and click no and then hit OK, and then that will initiate the install. Now that that's completed, just make sure the Start Now is checked, and then we're going to hit Close. Now that will then start up KM NetViewer for us. Okay, now we're going to need to create a workspace folder for all the data to be stored on. So we're going to go ahead and click on Browse. And then after we click on Browse, we're going to select this PC. Then we're going to select local disk C, and then make a new folder, and I'm going to name mine NetViewer. Alright, then hit OK, and then go ahead and hit OK again. Okay, now it's asking us to add the devices, so go ahead and hit Express and then finish. Now if you have more than one copier on your environment, even if it's not Kyocera, it will find all of them. You don't need to worry about that. You just need to worry about the ones that are Kyocera. And once this has found the one that I'm looking for, I'm going to go ahead and stop it and then show you how to remove all the excess devices. Okay, so it did add it, so I'm going to go ahead and hit stop. And then an easy way to get rid of all of these is to click with your cursor on the top one, and then we're going to go down to the one that's right above the one that I want. We're going to hold down the shift button and then click it again, and then just right click, and then you're going to say delete device, and then just click yes, and then all of those are gone. Then I'm going to do all the ones that are below it, doing the same thing. Okay, so now that that's done, you need to right-click on the copier or copiers in question. Then you're going to select Communication Settings. Then scroll down to where it says Login. And the login username and the password are both admin with a capital A. That's ADMIN with a capital A. And then hit OK. All right, now that we've done that, we're going to go over to Accounting Devices view. And then see how it has like the little thing that almost looks like how you would put a screwdriver on there? What you want to do is right click on there and then click Manage Device. Okay, now that we've done that, see how that turned green? That means that we're good to go. Now, this concludes how you install and configure KM NetViewer. If you look off to your right, there are videos on how to add accounts and edit them, and also how to add and edit address book entries. Thank you for using the Dex Imaging Help Desk channel. Please feel free to subscribe and have a wonderful rest of your day.